In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use guardrails in Oracle AI Data Platform. Guardrails evaluate user requests before they're processed and evaluate responses before they're returned to users. By placing a guardrails node between a chat trigger and an agent, I can apply safety policies like content moderation, prompt injection detection, and personally identifiable information, or PII, protection throughout the conversation. In this scenario, my organization needs to protect sensitive information and apply safety policies to AI agent interactions. I'll configure guardrails so user requests and agent responses comply with those policies. I'll add a guardrails node between the chat trigger and the agent. This ensures every user request and generated response is evaluated against my configured safety policies. I'll configure it by providing a name and description. By default, every guardrail is disabled. Each one becomes active as I configure it. First, I'll configure content moderation. Content moderation evaluates user requests and agent responses for content violating my organization's safety policies. I'll configure both directions to block detected material that doesn't meet my organization's communication standards. Next, I'll configure prompt injection detection. Prompt injection attempts to manipulate an agent into ignoring its intended instructions, which could lead to unintended or unauthorized responses. I'll configure these requests to be blocked before they reach the agent. Oracle AI Data Platform also supports PII protection. I can detect names, addresses, telephone numbers, and email addresses, then choose whether to allow, inform, mask, or block those values independently for user requests and agent responses. In this example, I'll leave PII protection disabled. With the guardrails configured, I'll test the agent in the playground by submitting a prompt injection attempt, asking the agent to reveal its system prompt. Prompt injection detection identifies the request and blocks it before the agent processes it. To verify this, I'll open the Traces view, where I can confirm the guardrails node is intercepting the request before it reaches the agent. Now that I've configured and validated guardrails, I can evaluate user requests and agent responses to enforce the safety policies I've configured. Find more videos in this series and additional Oracle AI Data Platform resources using the links below.